Hey, Central Florida, I'm not going to bore you just like every other roofing contractor. Hey, there's a storm, there's panic, I can get to you and I can take care of you. I'm just going to tell you just like it is. Today is no different than any other Monday for us. Service is priority, whether there's a storm or not. We have cool features like the fuel station behind me so that we can always get fuel to service you as a customer. But one of the key components here at Eustis Roofing that is every single day, whether there's a storm or not, is the people. We have the largest repair division in the state that work here at Eustis Roofing. We have the most employees in this area to get to you the best. We actually have a call center that can service your calls better than anybody. We actually have online staff that can service you through text message. This isn't any other day to us. And what makes us unique here at Eustis Roofing is we're an army of roofers that can service you and take care of your needs. And we build this all year long, not just for a storm. So if you want that service, you want to get that roof fixed, we're going to be your place to call. We've been working all weekend for many of you out there. So give us a chance to fix your roof. You can fill out our online form, you can text us, or you can call our call center, and we'll do what we do every single day, every single Monday. We'll service the community.